Welcome back to the quarterfinals of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2019, where the correct scores are Friendship Primary, 15 points, Solid Base Prep, actually on 8 points, as the answer given in the Social Studies Face-Off Parliament was actually accepted. Time now for the final challenge. In this section, questions will be thrown open to both teams, with the first to press the buzzer earning the right to answer after being identified. Teams earn 2 points for each correct answer. They lose 2 if the answer is incorrect or if they answer before being identified. This section lasts for 4 minutes. I'd like to see that time on our NCB Insurance Omni Educator clock. There it is. Teams, all the best. We begin with international affairs. It's a visual question. Teams, look at the monitor and identify this person. President of South Korea, Moon Jae-in. Sports. In which country can you find the famous cricket ground called the Solid Base?
South Africa.
South Africa.
Called the Wanderers. South Africa is correct. Bible knowledge. Gomer was the name. Friendship.
Hosea.
Name of the wife of which prophet? Hosea is correct. Science. Generally, how many types of movement are observed when a simple machine is working? It's 1. English language. What does the expression to play possum? Solid base.
To play dead.
To play dead.
That is correct.
Good.
Music. Who played the role of Maria von Trapp in the movie The Sound of Music? It was Julie Andrews. General knowledge, what's the first name of the wife of the Solid Base?
Melania.
Of the current U.S. president. That is correct. Theater. Visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this local actress. Rosie Murray. Mathematics. If 546 over x equals 0.0, friendship.
10,000.
0.00546. What is x? The correct answer is 100,000. That's incorrect. Social studies. Mont Blanc in the Alps in Europe is located on the border. Solid base.
Europe and Asia.
Border of which 2 countries? Italy and France. That's incorrect. Television. Roger Moore, Timothy Dalton, and Sean Connery are all actors who have played the same role. What role is that? James Bond. Sports, a visual question. Look at the monitor. Identify this person. Solid base.
Kima Paul.
West Indies cricketer. That's correct. Bible knowledge. Haggith was the name of one of the Solid base.
David.
Many wives of which king? David is correct. Science. Which states of matter do not have friendship?
Liquid and gas.
A definite shape. Liquid and gas is correct. English language. Does the word mendacious mean honest, fair, or untruthful? It's untruthful. Music. Which visually impaired American singer was nicknamed the Genius? Solid base.
Ray Charles.
That's right. General knowledge. There are only 2 landlocked countries in the continent of South America. One is Bolivia. Friendship.
Paraguay.
What's the other? That is correct. Local affairs. Who is the member of parliament for South Trelawney in Jamaica? Marissa Dalrymple Philibert. Mathematics. What is 150.489 rounded to the nearest friendship?
150.49.
Nearest 100. It's 200. That's incorrect. Social studies. The Vinson Massif Peak is the highest friendship.
Antarctica.
Peak in which mountain range in Antarctica? The Sentinel Range is the correct answer. That's incorrect. Bible knowledge. Who was the father of Saul, the king of his friendship?
Kish.
That's right. English language. Give us 6-letter words starting with D, which means nonsense or hogwash. The correct answer was drivel. That bell signifies the end of the match with Solid Base Preparatory on 18 points, Friendship Primary on 17, which means a hearty congratulations to you, Solid Base Prep. Excellent effort. Friendship Primary, Excellent effort from you. We wrap things up when we get back.